guys, today we are gonna make a cute watermelon ice cream. So let's start! Yep, it has a little bit of that, so you can easily erase it. See, we are ready. Now you need to cover it a bit. I know that the curve is not. Now you need to make one more curve, but you have to be gentle. And you have to make one heart here and one small heart over here. And also you need to make one small thick stick over here. See? Now you have to put the sleeve together and then you have to make it like this. See, now you're done. You make a small like this and you just draw it. And then see, it's done. And over here, you just need to make some seeds. 1, 2, and 3. And now you're done with your popsicle. Now let's start coloring. So first we will take red to color this part. Ice cream by coloring, and then you can see how it looks. So 3, 2, 1, go. S-T-O-P. Stop. And now we have to be a little too careful. Yep, now we are done.